In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for UPSC Prelims 2026 Full Guide. Preparing for the prelims can feel like a second job. Dense inserts, rigid question formats, and scattered current affairs can drain your energy fast. The good news is that ChatGPT can now act like a focused, on-demand mentor, helping you plan smarter, revise deeper, and analyze your mocks with clarity. Let's dive in and set up a workflow you can reuse throughout your revision phase. Start by building a hyper-personalized dynamic itinerary. Avoid generic asks like, give me a 3-day plan for economy. Instead, tell ChatGPT your accuracy targets, weak areas, and exact timeline. A prompt like, act as an elite UPSC IAS prelims mentor and syllabus planner. Create a highly detailed structural roadmap for a 4-week intensive revision phase on high-yield prelims topics in GS Paper 1. I want to focus on modern history timelines, ancient art movements, and critical environment conventions. Minimize padding, schedule by conceptual flow, include weekly high-weightage sub-themes, and format it into a clean markdown table. Feed in your latest mock insights and let it sequence topics to reduce fatigue and maximize recall. Next, optimize complex logistics and route planning for factual data. If you're tracking government schemes, PIB releases, and international bodies, ask for a thematic routing that aligns with GS norms. Use a prompt like, explain the most efficient thematic routing using standard manual note-taking guidelines. Include retention frameworks, internal linkage examples, estimated monthly layout rules, and tips for a clean static to dynamic reference sheet. This clarifies what to capture, how to tag it, and how often to cycle it. Then, uncover hidden conceptual traps. Instead of rote memorization, train yourself against the examiner's style. Try, act as an insider UPSC prelims question designer. Give me 5 statement-based conceptual traps, niche phrasing patterns, or elimination dilemmas on economic terms and environmental maps that rarely appear in mainstream mocks. For each, explain why it's unique and how to handle it. Use these to refine your elimination logic and reduce avoidable negatives. After that, generate an all-inclusive checklist before major mock drills. Ask, generate a comprehensive, categorized revision checklist for a UPSC prelims mock. Break it into core concepts, exceptional caveats, analytical maps, and logical elimination rules with a short pre-test alert on blind spots, negative marking boundaries, and phrasing pitfalls. Print or pin it and run through it the night before and the morning of your mock. Finally, architect a complete performance blueprint. Prompt, act as a structural civil services prelims evaluator, build a realistic accuracy assessment for my full-length mock score, allocate a quality check for logical guessing, speed control, and error patterns. Break down weaknesses in CSAT and GS, suggest 3 ways to improve elimination phrasing, and organize it into an exam review dashboard. Log results consistently to see compounding gains. Handing over the heavy lifting, syllabus structuring, news mapping, and diagnostic reviews to ChatGPT frees you to focus on mastering concepts and precise decision-making. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.